mornings. Today I'm going to Ikea with my friend Alex and I'm going to pick up a pegboard for the inside of my greenhouse. And maybe a few, and maybe a few other little tidbits for the greenhouse. I'm on a plant buying ban, so I'm not allowed to buy plants, but it's Ikea, so if it's not a wish list plant, I'm not allowed it. So no buying plants today. However, buying a pegboard to redo that, and then I'm also going to try and see if I can basically fix the sides where the glass is dropped. There's an inch here on this side, the other side, and the two at the back. So I need to lift the glass and then reposition it. And I'm thinking of making it watertight, but then also I think that might be a bad idea if I do it on my own. So I'm just gonna try my best. I need to take all of those plants out again and then reposition the glass inside. I don't know how to do that. I need to buy a toolkit as well because I don't have my toolkit anymore. I don't know what happened to it. So I'm gonna buy a toolkit and a pegboard today, and that's what we're gonna do. This is my outfit for today. I'm wearing my big white coat because it's freezing. I've got a cardigan on that's colourful, and this dress that I found in a charity shop, and this bag that Kitty gave me. I'm toasty. My Reeboks. Yeah, I love this outfit. I love it. I'm busy waiting for Alex, and I'm trying to not be too overexcited about the fact that I'm going to Ikea, because Ikea used to be in this town and then they shut it down. They shut Ikea down. And it broke our hearts. The hearts of millions. But here we are, rising tall. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm really trying to fill in. Anyway, I really love Ikea and I'm waiting for Alex and I really need coffee. So I might go get a coffee. We made it! Alex. Okay, so we made it through Ikea. After we survived it, because it's been an eventful day today, hasn't it, Alex?
Yeah, it took me 3 hours just to get to you.
When you live 30 minutes away.
Yeah.
Traffic was great. And we've got everything that we needed, almost everything.
And behind this board, because you can't really see with all the...
Yeah.
Why are you talking? I don't know.
Keep talking. You keep talking. Keep talking.
I'm not on, so we can see the beautiful yellow clouds they made. But yes, we really had Ikea.
We had a great time. It was great.
And we had a hot dog.
We had a hot dog and it was great. Let's go.
Okay.
Shall we? It's cold. Let's go. Okay. So I'm home now and I have got my pegboard, which I kind of panicked because I put it up against it and I was like, is this going to fit in? Is it going to fit in? It's going to be a tight squeeze, but I want to try it, so I'm going to do that. And then I got a plug socket thing that has 3 plugs on it so that I can plug it in behind here, which will push this out a little bit. But that's okay because I need to have another one on that side to plug in the coffee machine when I get it back. And then I got these 4 shelves. 4 shelves for the pegboard that the cups can go in, and then I've got some S hooks as well, and I'm thinking of making a hole in the cup so then I can just hang the cup off of it. And I got a toolkit. Finally. Let's take all the plants out and see what we're working with here. And let's take this out as well because I think it's a bit longer. It's a really bad job, but this is gonna be a sky job. Which means someone who's a professional would probably have some things to say about it. But where I come from, I have nothing to say but the fact that everyone's gonna have something to say about it. I tried to think of something funny to say, but mine went blank. I mean, looks profesh. Aha! I just want to get the job done. Okay. Let's try hanging stuff off of it, shall we? Okay, here it is. So, I've secured it at the back as much as I can without using screws. I just used this Gorilla Tape stuff. And I'm not going to turn on the humidifier tonight so that it just settles into the, basically just dries properly. But I've put all the shelves up, which work perfectly for what I wanted them to. I'm glad I got the shelves and not the pots actually, because I was going to get the pots, but I got the shelves instead. And these hooks, which basically do the same thing, and these are all recycled cups that I've used, so I'm just going to put them in eventually. I've got a few more S-hooks here that I can use eventually when some of these plants are acclimated to the outside and rerouted, because most of these are actually just a little bit of rescue plant things, because this got root rot. This is a cutting that I took. This was a wet stick cutting. This was a wet stick cutting. This was a wet stick cutting. And yeah, and this one I'm just keeping in here, Philodendron White Wizard, because this one's in here, and I am trying to reroot them in Leca, sphagnum moss and perlite. And this one is finally pushing out a new leaf, and so has this one, so has this one. And these are pushing out loads of new growth points, so I'm hoping they all take and then they grow. But until then, these two mint Adansonii variegatas are just going to stay in here and grow, because this was a cutting that I took off here. These oblique cuttings, which is producing another runner again, so I'm going to prop it again and probably just prop it to here and then let this one grow out. I think it's okay in the shade, I'm not entirely sure, because this Thai constellation is busy rerouting and it's taking up most of the space in here. So eventually, once it's rerouted and I can repot it up and put it up on that shelf there, it's a rescue at the moment. So most of these are just rescues and need a little bit more higher humidity. But I am very happy. I'm super happy with it. I have an Ikea cabinet and it's got a little pegboard in it, and I'm so happy, and I'm so happy, and I'm so happy and excited. So, yay! I'm going to sign off here, and I'm going to say good night and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for being here. And until next time, I see you soon. Bye!